Hello, I'm in my Tokyo rental. I'm here for a little over a month. It is a very small rental, but I got a good price on it. Um, so this is from the entry hall. So we have a shoe cabinet and more storage behind the garbage bins. So we have recyclables, non-burnables, and then this one is burnable. That's exciting. There's an explanation on how to use the garbage there. Okay, and then we come in this way. This is the rest of the apartment. So we have a double bed. There is a small window and a larger window right there, I'm guessing. There is a kitchenette with a mini fridge, a microwave, a hot water kettle. Let's see, one burner stove. I do have a rice cooker and some pots and pans, so that's fun. And then, let's see, this is also covered with some plates and some cups. Good. Let's check out here real quick. Oh, well, you can't see anything, but I do have another window. Here's a little side table dealio. And then looking over here, so I have a washer and I think it's a dryer too. It better be because I don't have anywhere to hang my wet clothes to dry. So we have an air conditioner / heater, a very, very tiny bathroom. So here is the toilet. Now it is high tech. It has the bidet. And then this is a shower area. It is teeny tiny. So let me step in here. Hello. So it is, if I stretch my arm out too much, I'm going to bang into the wall, is how it is. But, you know, it does have places to put things, so that's good. Not really any tables, though, so that's kind of a problem. I mean, I have the side table, so I guess that's what I'm going to be eating on. And that's airplanes. So, but this window is open. Oh wait, what's this? Yay, a closet. Okay, so there's a closet. So we have more bedding. Oh, for laundry. Okay, so we do have some stuff there. That is great. Okay, let me close this and see what the sound is like. Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad. And then I think there is a rug. There's a rug down here. I don't know why it's under the bed like that. Maybe I'm not supposed to use it? Don't know. This place kind of needs a rug though. This floor is a little bit cold.